Will, that's not where it goes.
Was that your car?
Will, you go, Willow, go over there. Willow Smith, go over there.
I just like it.
I know.
I was trying to fix this.
This is my car. This is my car. This is my car. You broke it?
No. I was
Stop
fixing the
touching it.
wheels. I was fixing the wheel.
Such a nice car.
You broke your screen.
So who cares? Nobody cares about that. Go now. Go now, peasant. What? I know. Hey. Hey, Trey. Hey, say hi.
Hi.
What's up?
Nothing.
What is this?
It's a cross.
It's heavy.
Yeah, it's because it's real nickel.
It's real what?
Nickel, silver, whatever it is. And there's like 4 little diamonds.
It's real whatever it is.
Yeah, it's little diamonds inside it. Yep. Yep.
You have really long eyelashes. I think guys have longer eyelashes than girls.
Yeah, probably.
It did, that's what we did last period. Somebody's
I don't know.
string got held down and it flipped off.
That's how it broke?
Yeah.
Oh, can I do mine?
You want to break it?
Yeah, I want to break things. I'm a boy. Don't you know?
What?
Guys like breaking things.
I'm like on the new
Like glass. I
Like
like
glass.
breaking glass.
I like breaking your face.
Good luck.
I know.
It's already broke. Oh
That
yeah,
was
actually it
mean.
is. It's actually just now fixing. It's just now healing. Broke my nose
When?
a while ago.
What's a while?
It was on like one of those blow up water slides.
Garrett, say
No,
hi.
but seriously, I
No?
popped myself in the
Hey, guys,
nose
ready?
with my knee.
Start your countdown.
3, 2.
Almost died. Almost died. Blood loss.
That was her fault. Mine won. God.
This one was my
Huh?
fault because I started this one too early.
Oh, they get to go again.
Whoa, that's freaking awesome.
What?
Yes, I am.
They just rolled it all the way back. No, I was talking about.
I've already got your face a couple times.
So I
Yeah.
Oh, what'd you do?
Yeah. Because I wanted your face on camera.
Okay, ready?
Interesting.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yay! Yay for science, man! Wait, what is this called? Is this science or is this something else?
Science and math and all of it.
It's pretty much.
It's everything except reading and language arts.
It's scientific power and a little bit of math. What? Did you say?
New kid. And my front tires don't even hit the freaking.
Bro. Crack this.
What? What?
I did that turn into kicking people. Grab one of these.
She puts him in up there. Will, she puts him in up there.
Yes. It's a wiggly thing. And that's what I put. A wiggly thing. I put a wiggly thing.
It's adjustable nut. I'm going against the beat.
Is this your car?
What happens if we put this
Yes.
under the string?
This is a beautiful car.
It's called red.
It's called what?
Red.
Red?
Red.
It's beautiful.
R-E-D. Thank you.
I don't have, my car is ugly. Everybody used all the good paint.
What is it?
Blue and white.
That's the frost colors.
The frost color. It's the frost car.
Frosty. Called Frosty.
It's called Frosty.
Yes, Frosty.
Leave the trailer
I
lights
named
behind.
your car Frosty.
Alright, my car's name is Frosty, guys.
Yeah, because it's the frost colors, which is white and light blue. Hey!
Hi.
How's it going?
That's a good car name, I think.
That's
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Watch my eyes go.
Guys, ready?
Yay, go
Okay, here we
again.
go.
See in this spot?
2, 3.
See, when he comes.
Guys, I need you to be quiet.
I'm confused.
5, 4. Did not say be quiet, please.
Ooh, that was Austin. Write him up.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That one went off first. I beat you, son. That one went off first.
Like right here.
They went off first. I beat you, son.
This is so much fun. Yay, my car, yay, my car. Yay, my car.
3,
Yay, my car,
2,
Jason.
1.
Which car won? Which one? Did the blue one win?
Hey, and yours won.
Because I didn't have one. Can you go put the hammers back?
Oh, you have this so you can try. I found them over there.
So my car won.
Yeah.
My car won. Shut up. I'm okay, anyway. My car won and I'm the best, so